Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your travel expenses with TravelBank. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with TravelBank, first, visit their website and create an account. Once your account is set up, log in to your dashboard. Next, locate the Expenses tab on the left-hand menu. Click on it to access the Expense Management section. Here, you will see an option to add a new expense. Select Add Expense to begin recording your travel costs. Next, choose the type of expense from the drop-down menu. You can select categories such as transportation, lodging, meals, and more. After selecting the category, input the amount spent. Add the date of the expense to keep accurate records. You can also upload receipts by clicking the Upload Receipt button. This allows you to keep digital copies for future reference. Once all information is filled in, click on the Save button to record the expense. To automate further, navigate to the Settings section in your account. Here, you can connect your bank account or credit card for seamless tracking. Follow the prompts to securely link your financial accounts. With this setup, TravelBank will automatically import your transactions. You can also set up recurring expenses if you have regular travel costs. In the Reports section, generate summaries for your travel expenses. Customize your reports by date or category for detailed insights. Review the automated entries to ensure accuracy and make any necessary adjustments. Finally, familiarize yourself with the mobile app for on-the-go expense tracking. Download the TravelBank app from your device's App Store and log in with your credentials. With these steps, automating your travel expenses with TravelBank is efficient and straightforward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.